In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save the last view settings for a document in Adobe Acrobat Reader. This feature can be incredibly useful if you frequently work with certain documents and want to pick up right where you left off without having to manually adjust the settings each time. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to open Adobe Acrobat Reader. If it's not already installed on your computer, you might want to download it from Adobe's official website. Once it's open, you'll have access to its wide array of features, which help make managing PDF files quite convenient. Now, let's focus on how to save your last view settings. Start by heading to the top menu of Acrobat Reader. You'll be looking for the Edit option if you're on a Windows operating system. If you're working on a Mac OS, you'll instead be looking for Acrobat Reader in the menu. So, select Edit or Acrobat Reader, respectively, and then click on Preferences from the drop-down menu. Once you do this, a new window will pop up with a panel on the left side displaying various categories. Here, you'll want to find and select the Documents category. This section holds all the document-specific settings that Acrobat offers, allowing you to tailor your reading and editing experience to fit your personal workflow. Now, as you look through the options in the Documents section, there's one setting you need to pay particular attention to. It's called Restore Last View Settings when reopening documents. Checking this option will do exactly what it promises. Each time you open a document, Acrobat will remember exactly where you left off and how you viewed the file. This is especially useful for lengthy reports or ebooks that you might not finish in one sitting. To activate this feature, simply check the box next to the option. Once you've done this, your final step is to click the OK button to save your changes. This action confirms your preferences and ensures that Adobe Acrobat holds on to these settings for any of your future PDF viewing sessions. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've set Acrobat Reader to remember your last view settings, an invaluable feature for efficient document management. Whether you're a student juggling multiple textbooks, a professional working with complex reports, or just someone who loves reading PDFs, this can definitely streamline your day-to-day activities. Remember, the more you customize your tools to meet your needs, the more productive you can be. Thanks for joining me on this short walkthrough. Feel free to like, subscribe, or leave your thoughts in the comments below if you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.